Time for another video quiz from Access Learning Zone. Today's quiz is for advanced level users. Got 5 questions coming at you fast. Only going to give you a few seconds to answer, so hit that pause button if you need to. Keep track of your score. Are you ready? Here we go. Question 1. When an Access macro opens a form, what is a where condition primarily used for? Limit the form to records matching specified criteria. Change the form's design while it opens. Save the current record before opening the form. Set the form's default view. That's going to be limit the form's records to matching specified criteria. Question 2. Which form event occurs when a user returns to a form that is already open and gives it focus again? On open, on activate, on load, or on close? That's the on activate event. Not a lot of people use that one. Question 3. Which form event is most appropriate for checking required information and preventing a form from closing if the data is not valid? On unload, on resize, on activate, or on close? That's on unload. You can cancel it if the data isn't right. Question 4. Which event occurs after a form begins opening and its record data has been loaded for use? On close, on load, on deactivate, or on resize? That one's on load. Question 5. What's the purpose of a report's on no data event? It runs when a report has no records to display. It runs whenever a report is printed. It runs when a report's page size changes. Or it runs after a report has been closed. That's A. It runs when a report has no records to display. On no data. Get it? How'd you do? Did you get all 5 right? Did you launch a golden age that made history jealous? Or is your settler still looking for fresh water? If you missed any, these topics and a lot more are covered in Access Advanced Level 1 Lesson 4 on Form Open Events and other event timing in general. Thanks for playing. Be sure to post your score down below in the comments, and until next time, live long and prosper.